Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us see the fast and easy subtraction tricks. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. So today's trick is subtraction trick with 5. So see, if you find the numbers like 11 minus 5, 13 minus 5, okay, we can do this in seconds. Just we have to add 1 plus 5 is nothing but 6. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So easy, right? Next, 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Simple. 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12. Right, 17 minus 5 is 12. So 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. Okay, so 19 minus 5 is also 14. Isn't it easy, friends? Yes. Let's move on to subtraction trick with 9. If you find like this now, 13 minus 9, 17 minus 9, how we are going to do? Just to have to add 3 plus 1, nothing but 4. So 13 minus 9 will be 4. Now in the next sum, 7 plus 8 is nothing, 7 plus 1 is nothing but 8. So 17 minus 9 is 8. See, isn't it easy? Now next, we have subtraction of fractions. So if you find like this, 1 minus, so it will take some time. We have to do the LCM. But I'm going to show a very simple trick. See here. Firstly, you have to write the same number in the denominator. Now, what you are going to do? 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 by 5 is your answer. Isn't it easy? So next, now again, I'm going to write the 19 same in the denominator. So again, 19 minus 15 is how much? 19 minus 15 is 4. So 4 by 19 is your answer. Okay. Now next is subtraction trick by 99. So if you find the numbers like this 111 by 99 minus 99, very easy. You can do in 1 second this one. Okay. See this last number, write as it is 1. Now add the two numbers, next two numbers. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 12. So the answer is 12. Next, see this one I'm going to write as it is. Now next add the two numbers. 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. Isn't it easy, friends? Yes. So the last trick of today is subtraction trick by the place value method. See, for the bigger sums, we can do this so that if the people who don't know how to do borrowing, it's very easy for them. See, normally I am going to show first normal method. So how we are going to do? Can we do 1 minus 9? No. We are going to borrow from 7. So it will become 7 will become 6 and it will give 1 here. So 11 minus 9 is nothing but 2. 6 minus 8 can we do? No. We have to borrow. It will become 3 here and 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And next 3 minus 1 is 2. 282 is your answer. This is by the normal borrowing method. Now I am going to show the place value method. See, if we can we do 1 minus 9? No, we can't do. So we are going to do 9 minus 1. From down to up we are doing subtraction. 9 minus 1 is 8. We have to write minus 8 because we have done 9 minus 1. Okay, so the next is, can we do 7 minus 8? No, we are going to do 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is minus 1. Okay, now here we can do here 4 minus 1. So as we are doing from up to down, normally 4 minus 1, 3. There is no negative sign, plus 3. Now what we are going to do is, we have to write the place value of this number. What is the place value of 3 here? It is plus 300. Okay, the place value of minus 1 will be minus 10. The place value of minus 8 will be minus 8. So now do the addition. What is 300 minus 10 minus 8 will be minus 18 plus 300 minus 18. 300 minus 18 is nothing but 282. See, both the answers are same. The people who don't know to do the borrowing, they can do this place value method. I hope you're clear with this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.